In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to successfully transfer a domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy. We begin by unlocking your domain on Hostinger. Simply access the domain management area within your Hostinger account, then select and unlock the domain you wish to transfer. Next, you need to obtain an authorization code, often referred to as an EPP code or transfer key. This code is vital for the transfer process, so locate it on your Hostinger domain details, then carefully copy and store it for future use. Another crucial step in this process is to verify the administrative contact information for the domain you want to transfer. This is critical because all communication regarding the transfer will be sent to the email address listed as the administrative contact. Make sure to update that information if necessary. Now we will initiate the transfer on GoDaddy. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to the section labeled Transfer Domains. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you want to transfer from Hostinger. After entering your domain name, you will be asked to submit the authorization code that we copied earlier from your Hostinger account. Paste in that very important code correctly. Now, you're closer to the completion of your transfer. Your next step is to proceed to the checkout. This stage involves more than just payment. As you follow the prompts, you will be given an opportunity to confirm your transfer and possibly add some optional services such as domain privacy. Lastly, you'll be asked to enter your billing information. Once you've completed the checkout process, your payment will signal the start of the transfer process. This process is not instantaneous and typically takes between 5 to 7 days to finalize. Don't worry, this is the norm and is a part of ensuring the safe transfer of your domain. You can always keep tabs on numbers of the transfer by visiting your domain section on the GoDaddy website. You will see the status of your transfer there, and even better, you will get a confirmation email from GoDaddy once the transfer is fully completed. With these detailed steps, you now possess the knowledge and the process of how to transfer a domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy. Now go ahead and facilitate that transfer with confidence and assurance.